Hi friends, it's Ryan Reed from Reed Law Group. While the situation seems to be changing week by week, we now know that Kentucky courts will not reopen and begin operating on a regular schedule again until sometime after Memorial Day. In the meantime, lots of parents in joint custody arrangements are trying to sort out co-parenting under some very challenging circumstances. Most of them are showing the kind of child-centered cooperation that gives them a pretty good chance of seeing their way through these challenges. Some others, despite their best efforts, have encountered conflict. Conflict over adjusting timesharing schedules, conflict over how to reschedule summer vacation plans that may have been affected, even conflict over how the federal stimulus money under the CARES Act earmarked for a child or for children should be handled when it's received. How are these conflicts going to be resolved? Or really the bigger question, when are these conflicts going to be resolved? Two quick points I want to make today. Number one, I'm encouraging my clients who feel stuck in these sorts of conflicts to be open-minded to the mediation options. This can be done using virtual meetings or video conferencing technologies without waiting for courts to reopen. Because even when courts are finally open again, it's certain that hearing schedules are going to be crowded for some time to come. Utilizing mediation now means that you might be able to address the conflict now without waiting so long. Number two, if your co-parenting conflict is one that requires a ruling from a judge, and sometimes that's all that will do, then my advice is to act now to get the necessary court papers prepared and filed with the court. In other words, if you're going to have to go before a judge for a hearing, try to go ahead and secure your place in line so you have a better chance of a timely hearing and a ruling once the courts have returned to normal hearing schedules. Nobody knows when that's going to be, but you're certainly much better off to try to be at the front of the line than the back of the line once the line starts moving. Now, if you have a co-parenting conflict and you want to explore what action you can take now to avoid further delays, I'd love to talk with you about how Reed Law Group can help. So call, click, or email the contact information on your screen, and we'll schedule a consultation to help you decide how to move forward effectively without having to wait for the courts to reopen. In the meantime, stay healthy, stay safe, and thanks for listening.